What makes a man fall deeply in love with a woman? It's a wonderful sensation to fall in love. It has the potential to be both enchanting and hypnotizing. Most of us wish to fall madly in love like in movies. We want to be in love with someone who inspires us and makes our life path enjoyable. So what is the key to capturing a man's attention and having him fall in love with you and want to spend the rest of his life with you? The secrets of a man's heart aren't as foreign to women as you would believe, but it does require some effort to see things from their perspective. Here are 9 essential characteristics, qualities, and behaviors that a guy must possess in order to fall profoundly and hopelessly in love. Number 1. Women who are receptive to the concept of love. Love draws more love. When you meet Mr. Right, make it clear that you're looking for something more serious than a casual date. You should be receptive to the concept of love and express your objectives and feelings. No one likes to struggle for what they believe is natural to them, so convincing him that a meaningful love relationship has a future is crucial to getting him to open up to you. Number 2. Honesty. When a man falls in love, honesty is his top priority. In many situations, some girls are unsure of what they are seeking. You could find yourself dating a guy who doesn't put out any effort to keep you around. You've never set the bar high, and you've never told him exactly what you want. If you tell a guy you're looking for a meaningful connection, not a casual relationship, and he rejects you, he's not worth it. He should be completely committed to you and falling in love with you. Number 3. Standards. A lady who does not give in easily and sets a good standard is very attractive. People prefer to feel as though they've won something and earned the best. This causes them to lose sight of what makes a guy fall in love with a woman and the benefits that come with it. When a guy makes love to a woman, the tougher he has to work for something, the more it's appreciated. So, the more effort the man needs to put in to gain you, the more he will value you. It's not only something that sets you apart, but it's also a great method to show off your self-confidence. Number 4. Authenticity. It's natural to want to make an impression on someone you're interested in. However, we frequently do so by exaggerating some aspects. In order to look more appealing, we may exaggerate our interest in particular subjects or even specific talents in order to relate to the other person. This may work for a one-night stand, but it's not going to make a man fall in love with you. You must be your actual self if you want to create a lasting, honest relationship with someone. Men want women who aren't scared to be themselves. It all comes down to having a strong feeling of self-worth and the realization that you are a valued person. Authenticity appeals to both men and women because it demonstrates vulnerability. Engaging with someone on a deeper level and getting to know them for who they truly are is such a pleasant experience in a society that is becoming increasingly fake. Men, too, want to fall in love and connect with someone at the end of the day. Number 5. Sense of fulfillment. Men are drawn to women who provide them with a sense of fulfillment. However, you must understand what motivates him to offer him what he desires. In the realm of relationships, there's a new hypothesis called the hero instinct that's generating quite a stir. This remarkable theory, coined by relationship expert James Bauer, fully explains how men truly think and feel in relationships. It's also something that most ladies have never heard of. According to James Bauer, guys don't need much in their relationships to be happy. It has nothing to do with sex, as most people believe. Men, you see, have built-in drivers. These are natural reactions that they aren't even aware of when a lady comes along and stimulates them, though they have a strong response. As a result, he loves with more intensity and commits totally and devotes himself completely to the relationship. So how can you bring out your man's inner hero? You don't have to act like a damsel in distress or get him a cape, either. It's actually fairly straightforward. All you have to do is provide signals to your man that make him feel wanted in the relationship. These enable him to step up and feel satisfied in his job as your partner. And these indications are presented in James Bauer's simple and clear video. The fact is that if you grasp how the hero instinct works, your relationship may reach new heights. Check out James Bauer's amazing video by clicking the first link in this video's description if you want to offer your man exactly what he wants. He gives precise sentences and phrases that you may use right away in it. Number 6. Kindness. In today's dating environment, the gold digger is a popular concept. Men can't help but question if their new date is chasing their money or after them as a person at this stage. They may be concerned that they will not be able to fulfill her various desires, such as pricey presents, nights out, surprises, and so on. This is why kind-hearted women are so important to modern men. Men want to be in a long-term relationship with a woman who can nourish them with her tenderness and who will not get disheartened if things get tough. Keep in mind that it's critical that you and your spouse grow together. You may become an unstoppable pair who can overcome anything if you cultivate your love properly. Number 7. Independence. You don't have to be a damsel in distress anymore, unless you want to. Girl power is all the vogue these days, with women accomplishing almost everything a guy can. Traditional relationship norms are gradually vanishing, and nowadays, couples are equal partners to the extent that they can be. Independent women don't have to accomplish everything by themselves. They're self-sufficient and do not require a man to complete them. You're self-sufficient if you look after yourself, have desires and goals outside of the relationship, and don't feel obligated to do everything with your spouse. You're welcoming him into your life as a useful ally and a shoulder to lean on when things get rough as an independent woman. Not because you expect him to take care of everything. Number 8. Emotional maturity. Drama queens do not entice men. They're simple creatures that lack the intricacy of a woman's inner world, which is why they frequently fail to comprehend the fuss. This is why it's a good idea to learn to regulate or balance your emotions around him. The phrase communication is vital is one we hear frequently. In romantic relationships, this is especially true. We, as women, forget that our guys have no means of understanding what we think or desire. This is why you must learn to convey your demands or disappointments verbally. Don't be scared to be open and honest about your feelings, whatever they may be. When you open up to your partner, he will be proud that you selected him to be your confidant on such personal matters. Keep in mind that difficulties should be discussed as soon as they arise, not later when he has forgotten what the issue was all about. This is based on personal experience. Number 9. Don't be possessive. Don't get overly possessive. Many women make the mistake of being overly possessive of a man before he even acknowledges his feelings for them. When this happens, she may strive to shield him from other women so that she becomes his only woman. Possessiveness is not only annoying, but it may also be harmful to you and your potential partner. This is a plan that will not work. Allow him to make the most intelligent choice possible. If you're the one for him, he will certainly fall in love with you. You are the emotional leader in your relationship as a woman. If you're serious about finding lasting love, you'll need to master these skills. Some things, however, cannot be taught. And that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching.